it's Vanessa from Geranium Aromatics, natural products for spirit, soul, and body. And welcome to my video. In this video, I am going to be making a gift for a baby soap for a baby shower. So let me show you my molds. And these are the molds that we are using. I am using. They're called gift boxes. Babies are a gift from God. It's Keystone Candle and Supplies. I got these as a gift from the Old Sage Apothecarian gathering in 2019. This is a melt and pour recipe. So I have 2 containers here. In this first container, I am going to melt both of them. One I'm going to leave white and one I'm going to color with a pink. I've already started blending it. It's very pretty pink, but I want it to be lighter, so I didn't use a lot. And this pink is by, hopefully you guys can see this, it's by Nurture Soap, and it's a really pretty pink. I'm gonna put both of the soaps in the microwave, 30-second interval blast until they're fully melted. It feels like it's pretty well melted. Let me look at this temperature here. Still a little lower than I wanted to be. It's 117, but it's good enough for me to add in my, I'm gonna add in my mica now. We're gonna stir it in. I want a lightish kind of pink. Oh, this is pretty. This is going to be very pretty. And finish taking it out. Some alcohol to get the rest of it out. I don't want to leave anything in here. It's good till the last drop. Remember that commercial? Well, depending on how old you are. This smells so good. So hopefully I got my technique down right, and let's go. So we're going to use this. It's going to do like a double pour, and it's going to go back and forth between the two. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. And double pour, back and forth between the two. Oops, just a little too much there. And my double pour, I'm going to go back and forth between the two. I don't know if you can see this one. Wow, those are pretty. Well, I'm going to let these sit for 24 hours. You don't have to. They're usually ready in 2 to 3 hours, but it's late and I'm tired. So this is Vanessa from Geranium Aromatics, natural products for spirit, soul, and body. And thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to hang out with me. I know I am truly blessed because you have honored me with your presence. Thank you all, and see you in my next video.